Well, hey you, and welcome back to the train loft here. So, since the last video when we got the, that underlayment, the grass, the turf, whatever you want to call this, down, it's really kind of ignited that. Let's get to working on this train table. So I've been shopping, all right? And I bought some big talus. And I got a fire chief car. We got some curves. We got some straight streets. We got deer and we got bear. How cool are the bears? They'll go on top of the mountain over there. Okay. And we got some campers. Got a fireplace or a little fire and some campers and some logs and a tent. And that will go on top of the mountain also. And what I'm thinking about doing with that big talus, I'm thinking about shortening this way 5 inches, just replacing these two pieces here, some 5-inch pieces, and building like a little hill over here with like water on top, the stream coming down and water on the bottom, and that's what the big talus is for, is like kind of going through like a creek or a stream, something like that, over here. And somebody else commented in the last video about running a second track inside of here. So I'm thinking about redoing supports and seeing about doing that and kind of compressing the road and everything. We're going to kind of lay out how big the road is and how big houses are, because if you think about the size of that one, you may not be able to do it if you think about the size of that, if we ran a track back behind there. Anyway. But what else I've been shopping for is I bought the farmer's market here, because what we have planned is this whole corner here is all going to be like a farmer's fields, farmer's house, barn, cows, horses, pigs, ducks, chickens, all that. So I'm going to get like a little shack kind of thing, put it here, right on the end of the road, and then that will be for the farmer's market. Okay. And this, firefighters, is because I have bought this. This is the burning house, Lionel Burning house. And, being a paramedic, being in emergency services, he's got like a hole in the roof. It's always been, it's what I do, emergency services. And so I'm going to put a burning house on here. That's what the firefighters are for. That's why I got the fire chief car, but I cannot find new era fire trucks. So, my fire station is new era, and it's got a new era Ford ambulance in it. So I need new era fire trucks, and I can't seem to find them. So if you guys have a link, you guys have a spot where I can order some from, let me know in the comments exactly what and where I can find new era fire trucks. So let's get the vacuum out, let's get some holes drilled, and let's get this house up, and let's get some animals up. Let's get going. Time for a time lapse. Stand by. fan off so that it'll smoke better. See the windows light up. Burning through the top and all through there. It's pretty good. I like it. Alright, let's move the table out and get some more stuff going. So, update. I had a whole other exit video filmed, and when I shut everything off after I got done, got everything installed, got it worked on, all that, wife comes home, had a bad day at work, feeling rough, you know, we were talking about it. Grabbed herself a glass of wine, I said, hey, come on upstairs, take a look at the burning house, let's look at the layout, and okay. We come up, flip the switch, turn everything on, nothing. No lights, no smoke, no nothing. Wah, wah, wah. So I was like, man, what? Checked everything, checked all my power output, checked it all. Everything else is working fine. But the house died. So I went to the train loft, that's where I bought it. It's right here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And I'll leave a link in the description for his website. Great guy, his name's Jeff. He says, oh, I don't have another one. And I'm like, that's fine. So he's gonna send it back to Lionel. Well, you know, I start walking around his shop, and there I find one back in the corner, and he's like, it's not supposed to be there, it's supposed to be the Lionel stuff. Anyway, so he gave me this one, he switched it out, and I turned it on, turned it off, 2 or 3 different times, turn everything down, so everything's working great now. You know, I think it's a great addition, and I really enjoy it. I think it's a great little addition to the layout. So, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below what you think, and make sure you're, you know, watching out for the next videos as we continue to build it. And I'm really starting to look at layout and what we might be able to do for extra trains as people do other, you know, a lot of people do other trains and stuff inside the layouts. So we'll see. I think we need more trains on it. But we'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye.